Let's pass love around. Are you ready? Let's do it. Let's talk about them celebrities. The ones you're watching on the TVs. Even the ones you're listening to on the radios. Pay $150 just to see a show. But the one thing I keep wondering is when they think about you and me. At the day I was done with that show, I wasn't really all about the door. I wasn't really all about the door. But the one thing that I know, yes, bless. They don't love you like I love you. Jay-Z, he don't love you like I love you. Beyonce, she don't love you, don't love you. Excuse me, Rihanna, she don't love you like I love you. Cause every time that I get to this train, and I'm about to come and do this thing, yeah. Say you truly are on my heart. What kind of music can I share to make it all spark? And get us to start smiling, passing love around this New York Island. And guarantee when I get home, thinking about you in the same way. You smile and you love me too. Yes. Check it out. We them A-train riders. We the world's strongest and longest standing healthcare providers. Yeah. Cause we smile past love around. We don't let hate come beat us up and drown us. Yeah. As a matter of fact, you and me ride the A-train, roll across the land and ride above the sea. So we don't need no flotation devices. Cause we the nicest. Only way we dealing with ISIS is Italian in the summertime when it gets too hot. Take a bite of the apple, it's sweet, and it hits the spot. The only thing sweet about you and me is the heart. And the way we use it for L-O-V-E from the start with a smile. The last time I heard a Puff Daddy, yeah, you wasn't thinking about you and me. Yeah, the last time you went to 50 man was only thinking about his own ring. Yeah, and Miley Cyrus maybe twerking it. Yeah, and she ain't twerking it for you and me. One thing that I know, yes, blessed. Yeah, they don't love you like I love you. Shorty Rock, Kitty Rock, she don't love you like I love you. Sarah get just a pocket, she don't love you like I love you. I've been told that they don't love you like I love you. Cause every time that I see your face, you give me a feeling that can't be erased. And guarantee when I get home, I said I still feel the same way.